UFO Gaming Coin, legit or scam? Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel for yet another interesting topic for cryptocoin. UFO Gaming Coin, UFO, redirects to Unidentified Flying Object, a spaceship, maybe aliens, for most of you watching the video. But what on earth is a gaming coin based on? UFO? No, it does not have anything to do with aliens, but an equally alienating topic, the Metaverse. For those of you who have been living under a rock, the Metaverse is an online alternate universe that mirrors reality. It has its own land, structures, places, and even currency. That's right, your real money can be used to purchase virtual currency in the Metaverse, which can then be used to buy virtual items. The currency is freely traded and exchange rates fluctuate like in real life. One such currency is the UFO Gaming Coin. So, are you excited to learn more about this gaming coin, UFO? Well, to your surprise, in today's video, we will be diving deep into the administrative aspects of the UFO Gaming Coin, and we'll examine whether it's worth investing in and whether it's even legitimate in the first place. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe to never miss out on more videos like this. On to the video. UFO Gaming is a gaming network that aims to link the traditional mobile and PC game experience with NFT-based games on a decentralized platform. Launched in just 2021 under U-Forger, the company now boasts of a market cap of more than $1 billion. Players of the game are expected to perform tasks in order to earn in-game money, which can be changed for real money. To put it briefly, UFO Gaming is a play-to-earn game. Each new game starts on a new planet, where players can buy land via auctions using their money. They can then play on their land as they like, undertake development projects, and earn rewards in the form of non-fungible tokens. Players can also trade Metaverse tokens in the game. These transactions take place in the denominations of UFO gaming coins, making it a new form of currency. Players can also trade these coins among themselves in the cryptocurrency market, letting demand and supply decide the price. At present, the UFO gaming coin is valued at less than 1/200,000th of a dollar. But since they're bought and sold in bulk, imagine trying to use a single unit of currency in a game. The transactions are usually of larger amounts. UFO is more frequently traded against Ethereum, another popular blockchain currency generally used to make payments for NFTs. UFO Gaming is planning to release a new game under their network called Galactic. The game will function entirely within the Metaverse with tons of quests, tasks, tournaments, PvP battles, etc. The player may use them to earn UFO gaming coins. A secondary token named UAP will also be released along with UFO. UAP can be used to complete in-game actions. It can be traded freely in the game's marketplace and can be exchanged for rare NFTs. Unlike other Metaverse platforms, the game has also brought about a new rating system. Galactic will provide advantages to players who are active and spend more time regularly. Active players will get higher ratings assigned to them. This makes them more likely to obtain rarer NFTs, more UFO coins, challenges, missions, etc. From a crypto lover's point of view, let's address one of the leading questions that come to mind. Is UFO Gaming Coin worth investing in? Or, from the perspective of a trader willing to make a quick few bucks off of arbitrage or speculation? At the moment, the token has been on a price decline, falling by as much as 21%. As of 2022, it is trading at nearly 5% of its all-time high of 1/10,000th of a dollar. However, the drastic fall is not due to reasons exclusive to the UFO. The general cryptocurrency market has been dealing with uncertainty and recession since the onset of COVID-19. Even Bitcoin, one of them, if not the most popular cryptocurrencies, has fallen by 35% in the past year. From an investment perspective, consensus estimates for the UFO have been quite optimistic for the next 5 years, especially given the fact that Galactic will be out soon, which will flood the market for the UFO with high liquidity and inflate the price. Analysts have assigned a buy rating for the currency, with recommendations to go long instead of shorting it shortly. It is expected that UFO's price will rise as high as $0.00006, which is nearly 12 times higher than the current price. 5 years later, the token is expected to go even higher, provided that unforeseen market fluctuations are negligible. The general consensus is that the UFO has high prospects for growth. While it may not be a market dominator like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, it will be a pioneer in the Metaverse and is likely to expand into more games beyond Super Galactic. With the upcoming generations being more and more into technology, the gaming industry is likely to grow exponentially, and so will all game-based currencies. While it may seem profitable to invest right now, one more concern still lingers on everyone's minds. Is it safe to invest in such virtual currencies that have no physical presence, especially when the stock is not as standardized or certified as other major digital currencies? For example, Bitcoin is backed by legislation of various countries. Dogecoin is propagated by the world's richest man Elon Musk himself. UFO, on the other hand, is just in-game money. There is also a trend of new coins being minted that skyrocket within days and crash like a flash afterward. Take the example of Squid, the virtual token that wanted to capitalize on Squid Game's fame multiplied in value within days of its creation. As the show's popularity waned, so did Squid's value. The coin's website was shut down soon afterward, with its founders eloping with investors' money in an elaborate fraud. Such cases brings about hesitation among investors on whether they should actually put money in digital currencies, especially given the volatility of the market. But UFO is not one based on some trend like Squid was. The growth it has shown in value has been organic and has occurred over an extended period of time. There has been no sudden leap or sudden crash in its value, making the currency less volatile compared to the industry. There is also the topic of the currency's legitimacy. A caveat to be noticed is that UFO is not backed by Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Even secondary investment platforms such as Binance do not support the UFO. However, given time, it is likely that the UFO will be listed there as well, following the release of Super Galactic. UFO Gaming has also collaborated with strategic partners, which increases its reliability as a legitimate company. Scammers prefer to work alone in order to avoid breach of contracts or unnecessary liabilities that arise in partnerships. UFO's latest joint venture with Horizon Union is purely focused on enhancing the gaming experience for players, which will encourage them to buy and sell more UFO gaming coins. Horizon Union's previous partnerships include G Fuel, which is now no stranger to success. This only strengthens UFO's public image. UFO has also made history by becoming the first blockchain gaming company to enter and host its game in esports. This further cements the fact that the UFO is the real deal. A serious business move like this in the gaming industry is unlikely to be followed by a cheap scam. UFO Gaming hosted a tournament on esports with the prize money worth a massive $10,000. Any company willing to scam investors has no business hosting tournaments for the gaming community to enjoy. Moreover, UFO runs on DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations, governance. As a result, the community gets to decide on various game decisions and help choose ideas for existing and future projects. With community engagement as high as possible, UFO Gaming views the UFO coin as only a means to an end. It does not aim to capitalize on profits made from the coin itself, but on revenue earned from the actual gameplay. This means that the founders are not looking to make short-term gains in cryptocurrency, but are in it to become market makers in the long term in the gaming industry. The bottom line is that UFO Gaming Coin is one of the cryptocurrencies that should be on everyone's watch list, whether or not they invest in it. And that's it to wrap up this video. What do you think about this coin? Do you find it legit or a scam? Let us know your views in the comment section below. Make sure to like the video and comment your thoughts down below if you liked what you watched and would love to learn more. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon today for more informative videos.